Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. Amen.
Oh Lord, I'm talking to you because of desperation and helplessness. The earth is infected by these devils. How shall I handle the cautious first mission? Died in your name. I'm surrounded by death. What can I do? There are so much of them. They are all destroyed. Please, give me your blessing and salvation. Everybody fought with the belief in the great victory. I'm so alone. I feel so lost. I almost lost my faith. Send me out in the dark night. But please, let it be finished. I will defend your name and your belief. I will do everything for you. Your love is greater than any kind of hate. I killed the dark side. But does it mean I won?